Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on the Pink Stuff, the Miracle Scrubber Kit. So here's everything that comes in the kit. We've got 4 AA batteries. We got to put those batteries in first. You're going to pinch right there and right there at the same time. Got to pinch in pretty far and you're going to pull that off. Now we have a little diagram here that shows us how the batteries go in. Okay, so if you put the switch up, on this side the batteries are going to go up with the positive side up. That little tip right there is going to go up, and on the other side they go down. The positive side is going to go down. Now you're going to pinch. Now see how one's a little bit lower, one's a little bit higher. You'll see one side of this has a spring that's up a little bit higher. That's going to go towards the lower side. So just like that, and press. You got to really press it on. It'll click into place. And you'll know you'll have it right when you turn it on, and now it's working. You just turn the switch on, one speed, easy to change out. Grab these quarter turn. You can put these other cleaning heads on, push it on, turn it. Let's put the bigger one on. You always start like right there and turn it. It just rotates back and forth. It just rotates back and forth. It does not spin in a circle. Let's try this one. That's for corner work, intricate work. This is made of a really grippy material right here. And let's go over length. It's right at 10 inches. It does stand up on its own. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Feels good in your hand. I like that it stays on till you turn it back off. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.